So I'm talking about blackbirds. When I was on my spiritual awakening journey, I always saw blackbirds. They would surround me. They would be outside of my house. So yeah, blackbirds actually mean messengers of the heavens, right? They're all knowing, okay? So also, a lot of people believe that also blackbirds mean death, and that could be also possible as well, because when you're going through a spiritual awakening, you do go through a death and rebirth, right? So, I actually have a book that I'm going to be writing about blackbirds. So stay tuned, all right, for that information.